This guide will help you enable and adjust the graphics settings on your Steam Deck for an optimized gaming experience. Follow these simple steps to enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Access the Steam Deck menu. Press the Steam button on your device to open the main menu. From here, navigate to the Settings option to access various configuration settings. Step 2. Select the graphics settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Graphics section. Click on it to view the available graphics options and settings for your games. Step 3. Adjust the resolution. Within the graphics settings, look for the resolution option. You can change the resolution to match your preferences or the capabilities of your display for better performance or visual quality. Step 4. Modify frame rate limit. Find the frame rate limit setting in the graphics section. Adjust this setting to either cap the frame rate for smoother gameplay or allow it to run at higher rates for better responsiveness, depending on your needs. Step 5. Save and exit. After making your desired changes, make sure to save your settings. Exit the menu and launch your game to see the effects of your new graphics settings. By following these steps, you can easily enable and customize the graphics settings on your Steam Deck for an improved gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming!